HIPAA compliance is a lot more than just keeping your files locked up. As healthcare professionals, we're required to have privacy and security policies, perform periodic risk assessments, do regular HIPAA trainings for our entire staff, and more. If that list made you squirm even just a little, you're not alone. I'm Susan Litton, psychologist and EHR developer, and my workshop covers all of that. It also has downloadable forms for you to use, and it's actually kind of fun. It's on demand, so you can train on your own schedule and earn 5 CEs while you're doing it. I even enlisted my sidekick PSYBark to help keep things interesting. He couldn't even wait for me to finish, could he? Check it out below at the knowledge tree. The link is below. Learn a lot, meet your requirements, and maybe even have fun doing it. Thanks a lot.